Let's get started. So in this video, we will talk about how we can create a post for different pages. So for that, we'll have to log into our admin portal. We simply use website /wp-admin and enter. If you are already logged in, so you will be seeing this banner at the top. Once we are logged into our admin portal, from left side, we can see post, pages, and other options available that we can manage. For this, we'll have to create few posts, few pages, and we'll have to create categories so that we can use those posts on different section. Let me create post. So I have written this post with the help of ChatGPT and let me publish it. So publish and let's see, view post. It redirected us to our post. You see we have this post written by Rayan Shoshan and in uncategorized. So on this page, this is a home page where we can see our post. This page is for privacy policy and this one is for sample page. So if we go back to home and scroll this down, so we have two posts. One is the previous one and this one is for the recent one. And any new post, if we create and post, so it will appear here on the main page, or we can say it home page. Let's go back and create one more post. So this one is the second post. Let me publish this, publish, and let's view. This is the second post that we have created. If we scroll this down, down the bottom we have other posts like this one, the first one, and this one, the previous one. All these are showing at home page. So if we click on this, we can see all these posts here. So let's go back and create different pages. Let me create 2 to 3 pages by clicking on add page. We can close this as if now we just want a simple page and publish it. Go back, add new. Let's close this, give it a name, publish. One more. Let's close this, give it a name, publish, and let's create one more. Close this, give it a name, and publish. Let's go back. So we have all these pages. Let's go to settings. Under settings, under reading, let's choose our page. So it's saying that your latest post or a static page. So we want a static page, and for home page, this home, and for post we are not selecting anything. If we select anything here, so the post will directly go to that particular page. If we have any specific page for blog, then we can select that page. However, if not, if we want to make our post for pages, in that case we'll leave this blank, then save it. Now let's go to post, and under post let's go to categories. Here we'll be creating different categories. Deals, add new category, then discounts, add offer, add, and let's rename this something meaningful, and update. Let's go back to categories. So we have created multiple posts, multiple pages, and if we see, as if now we have these menus at the top, and accordingly we have different posts on the same page. If we go to home, we see nothing. Under about us, we don't have anything. Under blog, we do not have anything. Under deals, all sections are empty, or we have different data on different pages, like privacy and sample page. So we do not have any posts that we have written here. Now let's go back to our post. Once we have written all the posts and created pages, we simply need to visit appearance. Under appearance, we simply need to click on editor. There are multiple ways. We can also use plugin, and for this we can go to appearance and editor. Under menu, we create menu. So if you see on the right side, this navigation menu is empty, so we simply need to create menu. For that, we'll have to use these categories. So we'll be copying this link. We can also use different pages, but we do not want pages, we want different categories, so that once we create a post and we add that in different category, so that should be appearing on different section of the website. Let's make this deals, then different section. Go back, select different category, copy this, add this, give it a meaningful name, then add more. Go back, view, copy, paste, select, give it a name. This is similar to we used our pages at the top, so it will be appearing here under menu section. Let's create one more for offer. Copy this, paste it here, and give it a name. And finally save this. Now let's go back again, back to admin portal. Under categories, we have all these 4 categories, and if we go back to posts, so under post, this post is under deals and mummy mart categories. This one is for mummy mart, and let's edit this and add this to a different. Let's make under discounts. So save this. If we go back, so this post is under discount, this one is under mummy mart, and this one is under deals and mummy mart. So let's go back to our website. Let's refresh this page. And if we see on the top, we have all these categories that we have set as a menu. So if we click on deals, we have this. We have this article under discounts. We have this one under Mummy Mart. We have this one, and it has two posts, so we have both posts available here. And offer has nothing, so we do not have any article here. So we have already created all the categories, we have created post, and we have linked all those categories to our main menu. That is it for this video. Please do not forget to subscribe. Keep learning, keep sharing.